What's up, gang? Totally looks like I'm about to get eaten by lions. Wow, that's great. That was unplanned, but an awesome little surprise. So let's talk variations to pull-ups while we're training away from the gym. So in a perfect world, you find a pull-up bar and we continue with pulling as usual. It's an important move, and any time we can spend hanging is going to be good for both the shoulders and the grip strength. But let's talk about ways we can explore it if maybe we don't have access to a pull-up bar or rings or like a tree branch or a wall or rafters or any of these things. All of these variations, including pull-ups for that matter, are going to be benefiting from the control of the tempo that we use, as well as where we set our shoulder and scapula as we do this. So a lot of these are going to talk about retracting the scapula when you begin, and if you pay special attention to that, not only will you get a lot out of it, you won't require a whole lot of weight in the beginning, because if it's untrained, it's going to be otherwise pretty weak. So just something to consider there. So I'm going to run through a few variations, both if you're able to pick up equipment and borrow from us, or if you have to get crafty at home with other stuff. Feel free to apply any kind of weighted element, whether that's jugs of water, backpacks full of books or something like that, and get creative with it, but still pay attention to the core concepts of your scapular control and the tempo that you use either on the way up, holding, or on the way down. One more side note here, whatever variation you do pick for when pull-ups come up, let's stick with it for a little while so that you can kind of manage and measure progress. So maybe you're doing sets of 5 with a certain weight and variation today. Next time it's sets of 6, 7, and so forth. You know that you're making some progress with it rather than just bouncing around. So maybe for a few weeks at a time here, or while we're doing this little stint at home, keep the same variation and make some progress with it. Have fun.